Bedtime Stories. Jumbo's Wish. In the jungle, everyone kept teasing Jumbo the elephant, who had a strong wish to fly someday.
Elephants don't fly.
Elephants don't fly.
Elephants don't fly.
Jumbo often tried to climb on trees and spread her legs apart, thinking she could fly. She most of the times crushed the trees under her weight, causing her to fall on the ground.
Ha ha ha, fool.
Ha ha ha, fool.
Uh-huh, fool.
One night, Jumbo was crying under a tree where Hedwig, the wise old owl, used to stay.
Why are you crying, Jumbo?
I wish to fly, everyone laughs at me but nobody helps.
Hedwig offers to help her using some magic. He gives Jumbo magical wings to fly. The magic would break with sunrise, and so Jumbo had to hurry. If you had a chance to make a wish using magic, what would it be? Why? Jumbo was very happy and she flew towards the moon and thought to herself that wishes come true if you believe in them. Once the dawn broke, everything was back to normal, and Jumbo held her sweet little secret. Jumbo was more confident and believed in herself. Then onwards, wishes come true with both hard work and belief. Do you think this is true? Did Jumbo work hard and have a strong belief? For more bedtime stories, subscribe to our channel.